Stacking Silver Gold. Stacking Physical Precious Metals Trading. Volume 1, July 30th, 2025. Managing Editor, Jack James. Chief Investment Analyst, Albert Intel. Host, Artie Dapiaggio. Real Ounces. Real Strategies. Real Wealth. Today's big question for metals traders and stackers alike? Will the Fed hold the line, or finally cut rates? At exactly 2 o'clock Eastern, the Federal Reserve will drop its latest rate decision, and all eyes will be watching, especially if you're holding silver or gold. Let's break it down. If the Fed holds rates, which is the most likely scenario, we could see a neutral to slightly bearish reaction in precious metals. The dollar might strengthen, bonds stay attractive, and gold and silver could dip a bit in the short term. But here's the key: it's not just the decision, it's the wording. If the Fed hints at future rate cuts, saying things like, inflation is moderating, or further easing may be appropriate, then metals could pop even without a cut today. Stackers, that might be your signal to wait for RSI to dip below 50 before jumping in again. You've got time. Watch the charts. Now, if the Fed actually cuts rates? That's a different story. That would weaken the dollar, lower real yields, and send a wave of demand into gold and silver. Premiums will spike. Dealers will sell out. And chart watchers will see metals run. Gold will move. But silver? Silver might steal the show. So whether you're looking to stack more or take profits, what really matters today is how the market feels about the Fed's tone. Now for the takeaway. Use the daily chart to help time your short-term sales. Use the weekly chart to decide when it's time to load up on metal. That way, you're zoomed in when it matters, and zoomed out when it counts. Trading takeaways. Stackers, wait for RSI below 50 if the Fed holds. If the Fed cuts, get ready for premiums to surge. Traders, trim into strength if RSI jumps. And don't forget to reload on dips when the mood cools off. Summary. The Fed may hold rates, but the words they choose could move mountains, or metals. Either way, we're watching. And if you're stacking smart, you're winning either way. Disclaimer: this report is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial or investment advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified advisor before making decisions. Final words. If you're stacking, stay disciplined. Don't chase green candles. If you're trading, trim when hot, reload on dips. And remember, stack what you see, not what you think. If you found this report helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the alert bell so you never miss a weekly metals update. Whether you're stacking, trading, or just curious, we're here every week with fresh chart reads and smarter stacking strategies.